So you are seeing this error message on your Telegram app which is saying we've sent the code to another device. In order for you to fix this problem, you need to simply watch this video to the very end. I'm going to show you how to simply fix this problem. So right here is my Telegram, and this is the error message you're actually seeing. Now the first step you can actually take in order for you to fix this problem is to check on the other device and log out from the other device, so that you'd be able to log into this your new device. But if for some reason you did not actually log into any other device, yet you are seeing this error message, this is what you can easily do. You can uninstall your Telegram app and reinstall it back. That is exactly going to help to solve the problem. Or you can simply go to your phone settings like this, scroll and click on apps. So when you do that, right here you're going to see where it says storage. You need to go ahead and click on storage. Now at the bottom of the screen you can see where it says clear cache, and you can see where it says clear data. You need to click on clear data and also clear cache. After clearing the both of them, the app is going to actually ask you to relog into it. So you need to relog into the app, and this problem is actually going to be fixed. The next way you can actually fix this is by going to your Play Store. Go to your Telegram and install the Telegram Alternative app and start using the Telegram Alternative app. That is actually going to help you as well to solve this problem. I hope you found this video helpful, because if you come to the very end of this video, now this channel is really for you. Hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell. Tell me in the comment section if you found this video helpful, and tell me as well if you are still having any problem related to this video. I wouldn't hesitate to give you a feedback as soon as possible. See you in the next one.